Imagine waking one morning and seeing that the work you trained years for is not there anymore. It is no dystopian movie. It has become a real-life experience millions of Americans will soon have. Artificial intelligence, automation, and the gig economy are reshaping the workforce with unprecedented speed. Is this indeed the end to traditional jobs? Or is this just an evolutionary step toward new things? Two of the top factors driving changes in the labor market are driven by automation and artificial intelligence. Automation is forcing machines and algorithms to do various tasks that needed human labor years ago. Some examples include cashiers in most grocery stores, while others are increasingly using AI that can handle several customer service situations. Factories that once employed thousands now operate with a fraction of the workforce, thanks to robotic advancements. Even white-collar jobs aren't immune. AI-powered systems can analyze legal documents, diagnose diseases, and even generate creative content, raising concerns about job security across various industries. However, while automation replaces some jobs, it also creates new opportunities. History shows that technological advancements have always eliminated some professions while giving rise to others. For instance, the Industrial Revolution eliminated many jobs in agriculture, but introduced new opportunities in manufacturing and urban development. The technological revolution of today is creating entirely new job categories that did not exist before, like AI specialists, data analysts, and automation engineers. The challenge is whether the workforce can move fast enough to keep up with these changes. The gig economy is also redefining the way people work. Traditional employment models, where individuals work for a single employer for decades, are becoming less common. Instead, more people are turning to freelancing, contract work, and gig-based platforms like Uber, Upwork, and Fiverr. This shift offers flexibility and autonomy, allowing workers to choose when and where they work. For some, this means greater freedom and a better work-life balance. However, for others, it introduces instability, as gig workers often lack the benefits and protections that traditional employees enjoy, such as healthcare, retirement plans, and job security. Remote work is another game changer. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the shift to remote work, proving that many jobs can be performed from anywhere with an internet connection. Companies quickly adapted, and employees found themselves working from home, sometimes for the first time in their careers. While some organizations have pushed for a return to the office, others have embraced hybrid or fully remote models. This shift has had profound effects on real estate, commuting patterns, and even mental health. Employees save time and money on commuting, while companies can tap into a global talent pool rather than being restricted to local hires. The future of work may not be tied to a physical office, but rather to a digital workspace where collaboration happens virtually. Despite these changes, traditional jobs will not disappear overnight. Some professions are more resistant to automation than others. Human empathy, critical thinking, and creativity are less likely to be completely replaced by machines in jobs that require these aspects, such as healthcare, education, and artistic fields. While AI can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases, it cannot replicate the emotional intelligence and bedside manner of a skilled physician. Similarly, teachers do more than just deliver information. They mentor, inspire, and adapt lessons to individual student needs, something AI struggles to do effectively. Performance tests and real-world user feedback have provided valuable insights into the strengths and weaknesses of emerging technologies. While AI-driven automation is incredibly efficient at repetitive tasks, it often struggles with nuances, context, and ethical decision-making. In real-world applications, self-driving cars still face challenges in unpredictable scenarios, and AI-generated content sometimes lacks depth or originality. Businesses are learning that while technology can enhance productivity, it still requires human oversight. The future of work is likely to be a hybrid model where humans and AI collaborate rather than compete. Despite the potential benefits, there are significant concerns. The rapid pace of change has left many workers feeling uncertain about their future. Reskilling and upskilling will be essential for those who want to remain competitive in the job market. Governments, educational institutions, and businesses must work together to provide training programs that prepare workers for the jobs of tomorrow. Lifelong learning is no longer an option, it's a necessity. Elon Musk, one of the most influential voices in the tech world, has continuously sounded warnings about the AI challenge to jobs. He thinks that a significant number of jobs as they exist today will be replaced by automation and AI. Society will then have to see for itself how it can change its economic structures. Musk has even proposed UBI as a cure for mass joblessness, pending the effects of AI-facilitated automation. In his vision, as machines take over more tasks, humans will need new ways to find meaning and purpose beyond traditional employment. While some critics argue that his predictions are overly dramatic, others see them as a realistic assessment of where the workforce is headed. The future of work isn't just about technology, it's also about societal adaptation. How will governments regulate gig work to ensure fair wages and benefits? How will companies balance automation with human employment? Will universal basic income become a solution to widespread job displacement? These are pressing questions that will shape the workforce of the future. It's easy to dismiss discussions about the future of work as mere hype, but the evidence suggests otherwise. The shifts are real, and they are happening now. While traditional jobs may not vanish entirely, they will undoubtedly evolve. Workers who embrace change, develop new skills, and remain adaptable will be better positioned for success. The future of work isn't just about surviving automation and AI, it's about leveraging these tools to create a more efficient, flexible, and inclusive job market. The workplace of the future will likely be defined by flexibility, adaptability, and continuous learning. Jobs will not be as static as they once were, and the concept of lifelong employment at a single company will become increasingly rare. Instead, career paths may resemble a series of short-term projects, each requiring different skills and expertise. The ability to pivot and acquire new competencies will be crucial. The end of traditional jobs does not mean the end of work itself. Instead, it signals the beginning of a new phase, one where technology, creativity, and adaptability define success. The future of work is not something to fear, it is something